Yoga and mental well-being. Yoga's blend of physical exercise, breathing techniques, and mindfulness has a significant impact on mental health. Reduction of stress. Breathing techniques. Breath control or pranayama helps lower stress and relax the neurological system. Cortisol levels can be lowered by methods like deep breathing and alternate nostril breathing. Meditation and mindfulness. Yoga promotes mindfulness, which is the ability to be in the present moment. Clearing the mind, lowering anxiety, and improving emotional stability are all benefits of meditation. Depression and anxiety. Better mood. Consistent yoga practice can lower anxiety and depressive symptoms and raise serotonin levels, the happy hormone. Cognitive function. Yoga can enhance memory, focus, and general cognitive function, all of which aid in the management of mental health conditions. Yoga's benefits for physical health. Yoga has several physical health advantages beyond improving strength and flexibility. Heart. Cardiovascular health. Yoga can enhance circulation, lower blood pressure, and lower the risk of heart disease. Respiratory function. By increasing lung capacity and efficiency, pranayama improves respiratory health in general. Strength and flexibility. For musculoskeletal health. Yoga increases muscle strength and flexibility, which can reduce the risk of injury and improve physical performance. Bone health. Weight-bearing yoga poses can lower the risk of osteoporosis and promote bone density. Yoga and way of life. Making yoga a part of your everyday routine can result in long-term lifestyle improvements. Regular morning yoga. Doing yoga first thing in the morning can help you feel happier, have more energy, and start the day off on a good note. Evening yoga. Yoga can help you relax and get your body ready for a good night's sleep. Including yoga in active lives. Brief meetings. A session of even 10 to 15 minutes can be helpful. To benefit, concentrate on important postures and breathing techniques. Mindful moments. Throughout the day, including during breaks and on the way to work, practice mindfulness and breathing exercises. Yoga for various groups. Yoga is flexible enough to accommodate different age groups and levels of fitness. Children's development. Yoga helps kids become more relaxed, focused, and physically coordinated. Fun and inspiring. To keep children interested, yoga frequently includes storytelling and playful components. Gentle yoga for seniors. Yoga poses that emphasize flexibility, balance, and joint health are beneficial for seniors. Chair yoga. For people with restricted mobility, chair-adapted poses can offer support and make yoga accessible. Enhancement of athletes' performance. Yoga helps athletes perform better by increasing their flexibility, balance, and mental clarity. Injury prevention. By preserving joint health and muscle balance, regular yoga practice can help prevent injuries. More complex yoga techniques. Advanced yoga practices include more challenges and advantages for practitioners who want to take their practice to the next level. Advanced asana. Arm balances. Positions that strengthen and balance the upper body include the handstand, Adho Mukha Vrksasana, and crow pose, Bakasana. Backbends. More complex backbends that open the heart chakra and increase flexibility include wheel posture, Urdhva Dhanurasana, and king pigeon stance, aka Pada Rajakapotasana. The advanced pranayama Kapalabhati technique, sometimes referred to as the breath of fire, enlivens and cleanses the respiratory system. Bhastrika. A quick breathing method that gives the body more energy and oxygen. In conclusion, yoga is a multifaceted discipline with many physical, mental, and spiritual advantages. There is always something new to discover and learn, regardless of your level of experience. The secret is to enjoy the process of becoming more self-aware and well-adjusted. Practice often and pay attention to your body. Namaste. Please let me know if there is a particular facet or area of yoga that you would like to learn more about. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel for more information about fitness and wellness.